Hey guys, as you may or may not have known, I've been working on EteRNA, the mobile version, this entire summer. We are finally ready to release it into a beta state for Android phone only for right now. I'm hoping to get the iPhone version working soon, so stay tuned for that. So in this video, I'll show you how to get set up and how to start playing around with it. So now, assuming that you made a test flight app account, if you haven't, there's a link in the news post, so you should follow that and go to the website and sign up for an account. And now you should go to your Android phone. You should find your settings button. Go into that. Click on security, and then you should see an unknown sources checkbox. You want to make sure that's checked. Now you want to go into your email. You should see an email from Test Flight that says welcome to Test Flight. You should see a big green button that says get started. Go ahead and click that. It should bring you to a website where you should see a big green button that says download Test Flight app for Android. Go ahead and click that. Hit OK. It says it'll start downloading. Now say download complete. Click that. Select the package installer, and then you'll be on your way to installing Test Flight. After you install Test Flight, you can go load it up and sign in, and it should bring you to this page where you will be ready to start playing around with EteRNA. So now you should be on this page. This is your Test Flight app. You should see EteRNA over there, and you want to go ahead and click install. It'll download and install EteRNA for you. Complete action using the package installer. If that pops up for you, should be okay. Hit install. Now the EteRNA is now installed. You can go ahead and click done. And now you're going to be able to go into your Android app, Android applications, and select on EteRNA to go ahead and start playing. I'll be recording this on my Google Glass, so sorry it's a little bit blurry. So you can go ahead and log in. I will not show you my password. And then just go ahead and log in. You can also hit play, but then you won't be able to have some features in the mobile game. So I can see there's 11 puzzle sets for now. You can go into any one of them, and there's 12 puzzles each, so that should keep you busy for a little bit. So just to explain these buttons down here, this is the settings button. You can adjust the music volume, which we don't have yet, but we'll get there. There's also the sound volume, which is just like the pings that you hear when you fold RNA, and the effects checkbox. These are the texts that say rate pairs and stuff like that. Go ahead and hit save. There's also the profile button where you can check your own profile out. You can look at your achievements here, look at your profile, or if you're feeling fancy, you can look at other people's profiles. Let's look at Board. Board's right there. That's his profile and his achievements. And if you want to, you can also go into chat and talk to other players. Nice. Send. That'll be that. Now let's say you want to play EteRNA. So let's do something simple. Let's go into the first lab. A simple hairpin loop sounds pretty good. And as you can see, the top bar shows you your current score. You need 1 star, the first score, to pass the level. So it isn't exactly like EteRNA where you have to match the secondary structure completely, but you can just get the certain points and I'll let you through. But if you do get the secondary structure, it'll boost you up. And then as you can see here, you still have your mini view in the top right corner. You still have your um, fold view in the bottom right corner. We can switch between natural mode and target mode. And then there's also this nucleotide palette here where you can switch between A, U, C, and G. The last feature is kind of new. We have the move limit. So for this level, you only have 9 moves, so you can only change 9 nucleotides. Let's just go ahead and do this. In this game, you can also paint by clicking on the nucleotide and dragging. If you decide that you made a mistake, you can click drag and drag off and hold and it'll disappear. So let's go ahead and do this. And then let's boost the loop. Oops. And then that'll be the end of the level. You can hit the next puzzle button and it'll automatically go into the next puzzle. You can go ahead and do the same thing again. Cool. And if you have to go do something else now, you can hit the back button on your phone. And then it'll bring you to this screen, and then you hit the back button again, and bring you back out to the menu. If you go back into lab window, you'll see that there's check marks to mark the labs that you already done, so you don't have to repeat any labs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed playing. If you have any feedback, make sure to let me know. Feel free to either PM me or send me an email in the link that I have below in the news feed, news post. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I look forward to hear from you.